and start inhaling. And during exhalation, try to keep your stomach little in, because whenever we exhale at the time of exhalation, if we exhale more, automatically the residual air will go out from our lungs and we can easily take more amount of pure air. So at least for the period of 5 minutes, we should follow it. Deep breathing, long exhalation, and during the time of exhalation, try to keep our stomach little in so we can exhale more. Another very effective exercise, with the help of this breathing technique, even you can wander in the Himalayas, because if you perform every day this breathing technique, automatically the capacity of your lungs will be enhanced. How? Because there are upper lobes in right side of our lung, and in normal condition we are not using upper lobe. If you follow running, mountaineering, then also it will enhance. So with the help of chest breathing, you can enhance in this manner. Initially, only do 5 times, and you should follow it twice a day. Or don't want to follow twice a day, then do first 5 breathing, wait for a minute, and again repeat it every day in increasing order. If you increase it up to 25 within the period of 1 month, automatically the capacity of your lungs will be surely enhanced, because practice make lungs more powerful. So normal vigorous exercise, pranayama, and reduce bad habit. Suppose every day you take liquor more than it should be, so you should reduce, because our liver do every day more than 500 types of work. So if you take more amount of liquor, automatically the capacity of liver will be reduced, and we may become infectious anytime. Also, suppose you take more amount of coffee. If you take coffee or tea more than 3 normal cup, then the amount of caffeine, the amount of tannic acid may be more than 30 milligram, which may become harmful. So you can take coffee or tea, but less than 3 normal cup of size. So reduce the amount of coffee, liquor, tea, and also the most dangerous thing, cold drinks and soft drink. We educated people use very polished word, soft drink. Name soft, but difficult to digest, hard to digest, and it affect our kidney. So please don't take soft drink, reduce the amount of cold drinks, and every day in your daily routine, at least you should take 2.5 to 3 liters of water. Why water? Because water is ever the best detoxifier on this planet to clean our body from outside as well as inside. So more amount of fresh air, more amount of water, and water should be taken at normal temperature, not freeze water. Also avoid more amount of frozen food, because whenever you take frozen food, stale food, automatically the reserve amount of oxygen which we have in this miraculous body will be reduced. We can alive against any type of pandemic only if the enough amount of oxygen is there in our body. Suppose you take, you do pranayama in morning for 20 minutes, but every day you use stale food, packed food, junk food, more amount of unnatural food, it will be useless. So also change your habits and also follow the rule of Mother Nature. And also, suppose you take polished rice or take more amount of bread, more amount of butter. So also reduce such type of polished food, because whenever we take any type of such fine level of flour, it sticks in our stomach. So during the breathing time, every day unknowingly 24 hours, during our breathing pattern, our lungs come out during the time of breathing, and parallelly diaphragm under or beneath our lungs goes downwards. But if you eat such type of junk food, flour, which is having fine level, automatically the capacity of your digestion will be reduced, and you may become victim of gas, acidity, indigestion, constipation, hemorrhoids. So avoid also this type of foods, and also add fresh fruits, vegetables, soup, sprouted, little amount of sprouted moong or any other whatever available in your countries wherever you are. And the main point, suppose you reduce bad food and add fresh food and positive things, but also change the main your eating habit. Suppose you eat fast, then before start your meal, take deep breath at least for 1 minute. And during such type of deep breathing, say to your mind that from this moment I will eat slowly. Why to eat slow, and why to spend at least 15 to 20 minutes behind slow eating? Because there are more than 16 salivary glands in our mouth. Insulin also secretes in our mouth. Suppose if you are suffering even from diabetes and start eating slowly from today, your sugar level also will be reduced. Because in this pandemic situation, the people who are suffering from diabetes, the people who are suffering from lungs issues, cough, throat infection, or thyroid or other type of diseases may become victim more chances. So please try to eat slow, and whenever you eat slow, automatically your excess amount of fat also will be reduced. If you want to reduce your weight, also start eating slowly and masticate your food slowly. We all get 5 basic gifts from Mother Nature: air, water, space, fire. The fire inside, fire of digestion, and fire outside, sun rays. In India, we all are more safer all over the world, because at this moment in my city, the temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius. So in 40 degrees Celsius or more temperature, up to the level of 500-meter in atmosphere, any type of toxicity, germs, viruses will be reduced or ineffective. So if you keep your inside fire alive, your digestion in good condition, and regularly take sun bath every day, at least for 20 to 30 minutes. You can walk in presence of sun. You can even sit in natural light, not only in sun rays. Automatically, the immunity will be boosted up naturally. And what is the basic one point of high element space? Space inside. How to keep space inside? Whenever you eat anything, suppose you take your breakfast or your lunch or dinner, always keep one thing in mind: eat 10% less. Suppose you have hunger to take 5 chapatis or 5 bread, take 4. And this type of habit automatically improve your immunity. For uh, your information, and also you can get something from my sharing. Since last more than 15 years, since 2005, every year I do fasting with the help of fruits, juices, a little amount of milk, and little amount of dry fruits, and also 3 to 4 liters of water for the at least period for 70 days. In 2019, I did fasting for the period of 330 days with the only with the help of these dry fruits, and milk. And even this moment, since last 30 days, again I started my fasting. Why I emphasize more on fasting? Many of you are aware of Clint Eastwood, a famous hero director of Hollywood. Eastwood do fasting since his young age. Every week, one fasting only with the help of water. And even at the age of 84, 85, you know how healthy he is. Even this moment, uh, as a director, as a hero, as a writer, he's continuously doing his work. So if you follow fasting, not for longer period, don't afraid. Only skip one meal. Suppose you want to join me every week, skip either your lunch or breakfast or dinner. And in place of that meal, take fruits, juices, milk, buttermilk, curd, and little amount of dry fruits. So every week you can keep your stomach little free out of uh, during normal the major work of digestion. We lose every day more than 70% of our energy behind the major work of digestion. There should also be detoxification. People are dying all over the world due to influenza, due to corona, due to other diseases. Every moment. Why? Due to more toxicity inside our body. So if you take more amount of water, body will be detoxified. If you follow fasting, it will be detoxified. If you do physical exercise, automatically body will be detoxified more. If you do meditation, your mind will be at high level, and automatically your inner all endocrine glands, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, thymus, pancreas, will be at higher level. So naturally, you will be at higher immune level. Today, I will share one real stories. Before some days, one old man were admitted in Germany in ICU, and at the time of discharge, hospital staff gave him bill of 1,000 euro. The old man start crying. So hospital staff replied, "Sir, No need to worry if there is any issue of payment. The old man replied, no, no, I have enough money. Even I can donate. But I am crying because in my whole life, in 93 years, I never show gratitude to Mother Nature. But during the period of ICU, I could realize the value of oxygen. Friends, every day, unknowingly, every minute, we take 7 liter of oxygen, 7 liter of air, sorry, 7 liter of air within a minute, even in lying position. But air is free of cost. Water is almost free of cost. And this physical miraculous body, which we can manage till at least for 100 years, which is free of cost. So from this moment, please respect your divine body and follow the voice, the inner voice of your body more. In this high time, all over the world, people are full of fear. Don't afraid. If your body is having enough immunity, there is no risk. If you are sick, try to follow the rule of Mother Nature. But if you will become fearful, your immunity will be reduced more. So, from this moment, start meditation, start breathing techniques, start to follow other exercise. Every day, I will share my routine with all of you. In my city, total lockdown. But even during my lockdown, I attend my patient on phone for the period of 6 to 7 hours. I do meditation for 2 hours and also do breathing technique and walking for 2 hours and also start more reading. So I can engage my daily routine for the period of 18 to 20 hours and my sleeping time 4 to 5 hours. Because if you follow fasting, the amount of sleep also will be reduced. So if you follow the rule of Mother Nature, automatically you can do work more, you can become free of disease, and you can enjoy your every moment of your life. Friends, I have to say many more things, but I think if you raise more questions, I am happy to give answer any of your question you may question. Thank you.
Thank you, Guru. Let's watch a video on Niha, so at least the audience have a better understanding on all these things. Daniel? Okay, Guru, we have compiled a few questions. I would like you to share with them on your experience. Okay, basically, what is the daily practice to improve immune system and overall health? Because at this moment, I think a strong body with a good immune system can help us to fight against the current situation. Do you mind to share what we should do every day?
In this condition, lockdown is also in Malaysia or not?
Yes, we extended 2 more weeks until end of this month, 28.
Okay. So during lockdown, not possible to go in gym. So we can follow more pranayama and meditation, and whenever possible, walking in even short area, because every people not having a large area for walking in their own home. So walking, breathing technique, and meditation. When you follow meditation, at least for the period of 10 to 20 minutes and twice a day, you can take help of chanting of different type of om, not related with religion. Suppose someone want to follow, first close your eyes, take normal deep breath, and after taking deep breath, suppose your car is having 3 gears. First gear is O, second is U, and last is M. So 10 to 15% O, 10 to 15 U, and last more amount of M. Again, I will show. You can follow it for 5 to 10 minutes. And another chanting is of Ma in the same manner. First take deep breath with closed eyes. Again. Why I emphasize more on meditation? Because whenever you do meditation with the help of Vipassana or chanting of Omkar, the flow of blood will come from ear to frontal lobe, and it will help to reduce the chattering of our mind. Because in today's time, most of the people are thinking of corona, thinking of death, and thinking of recession. All will be gone away after some weeks, and we all will be in our daily routine. But what should be done at this moment? So you can follow exercise, you can follow breathing, you can follow meditation, and also follow some rules, strict rules of your diet plan. Otherwise your weight will be increased. So add more amount of salads, more amount of vegetables, more amount of fresh fruits, whatever available in your country. So if you full your stomach more with the fruits, juices, and salads, but mind well, chew it properly. If you eat salads with more speed, it may become harmful, because you will be victim of more gas. So please chew it well. And if you follow this type of diet, automatically the chances of disease will be reduced, and the level of stress also will be reduced with the help of pranayama, with the help of meditation.
Okay. What about the breathing technique? The day you share with us?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. One more, normally anytime during walking or sitting, anyone can follow normal deep breathing, and also normally start from the left nostril, and after taking total normal deep breath, close your left nostril, open right, and exhale from right. After exhaling full breath from right, again take fresh from right. Close right nostril and exhale from left. One cycle. Start from left and exhale from right. Again exhale from left, right and left. I will show again. Long exhalation. Again take from right. You can follow it for 5 to 10 minutes at a time, twice a day. Spend more and more time behind pranayama, behind positive reading. Don't read about disease, particularly on internet. Please only read about positive things, because there is one definition of disease. When there is no is means disease, but medical science may will trap you more in disease. So please don't show anything about disease, particularly about corona or influenza or lung related disease. You are safe, you are healthy, you are happy, you are disease free. The air of Malaysia, the air of India, the air of all over the world is becoming more and more disease free. We all are becoming disease free. Please give message to Mother Nature, give message to this planet that will soon come out of this pandemic.
Okay, because I notice a lot of people, the first thing they wake up, right, they will see the worm meter, how many people have been diagnosed and how many people die because of this. But there are a small group of people also look at the other side, how many people have been recovered every day. Then he think very positive, you know. So I think this is the message that Guru would like to share with us. And then the second thing is, what are the foods that we can consume to eat, to promote our immune system, to boost our any typical foods or fruits?
Yes. In our daily life, suppose you take any type of fresh fruits which are available in your countries. So any fresh fruits or juices having more amount of oxygen, and automatically the oxygen level of our body will be increased. And also whenever we take vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, these three vitamins are immune booster. So automatically our immunity will be boosted with the help of more amount of vitamin C and more amount of vitamin A. Particularly the fruits and grains having yellow color is having more amount of vitamin A. Carrot and mango and pulses having yellow color. All these are full of vitamin A. And the all sour fruits having vitamin C, lemon and orange and mosambi, pineapple, all these are having vitamin C more.
Okay. I noticed that some people, they in the internet, they say every morning you wake up, you do one lemon juice and drink with a warm water. Does it really help?
But definitely it will become helpful. But suppose many of you are having joint pain. In that case, you should avoid lemon.
Okay.
You should avoid sour food, because if you take lemon, it will increase your joint pain. May become dangerous.
Okay. So any other fruits that we should avoid that you may damage our immune system or not?
Yes. Any type of sour fruits, lemon, orange, or even buttermilk, curd, pineapple should be avoided after 5 evening.
Why?
Any type of fermented food should be avoided after 5 evening, because if you take this type of fruits or food after 5 evening, it will reduce the quality of your sleep, because during our sleeping time, if our mind is at alpha level or at ease, we will get better relief during our sleeping time. We will get better sleep. But if you take such type of food or fruits after 5 evening, it may become harmful. It will reduce the quality of your sleep.
Any other tips that Guru can give us so that we can have a very good sleep? What you just mentioned, alpha sleep, alpha mood, whatever. Because now a lot of negative things, and also the the economic situation. A lot of people are worried they may lose a job, so a lot of pressure, a lot of tension. So what we should do before we sleep, so we can have a very good quality of sleep, because I think that also a booster for our immune system.
Yes. In my TV program in my country, last week I told people that we are 140 crores. That means 1400 million Indians. And out of 1400 million, only 140 people died on that day before a week, and only affected nearer to 5,000. So all over the world, uh, apart from China and India, rest of the world is only 50%. And out of them, Italy, US, Germany,
Okay.
most of the people are dying in these three countries. Apart from these three countries, most of the people all over the world are almost safe. So don't afraid. Uh, Even you can uh, watch on internet, or you can uh, got in history, International Infectious Journal or Lancet Book of Medicine, history of Germany, history of US, last 10 years. Every year, more and more people are dying due to influenza. Even in 2019, 650,000 people died all over the world. So don't be afraid. We all are alive, safe, because Malaysia, India, and other Asian countries are having more amount of sun rays. So today, sleep with more ease. Do deep breathing, and also in any type of crisis, world war, a pandemic, in last world war, and when USA throw bomb on Japan, after the period of only 20-30 years, we can see the condition of Japan.
Okay.
So today all we are victim of corona bomb, but within the short time, within the period of 2-3 years, all will be totally in better condition. So before just going to sleep, do meditation, deep breathing, and give a message to your mind that all will be good. We all are safe, will be safe physically, mentally, and also economically, because we all have enough food at least for 12 months.
Okay.
And money, suppose less money, within 12 months, all will be good.
Yes, I agree, Guru. Because without life, how are you going to make money? So make sure you take care of your life and your health. So I think that is more important than the money, right?
Yes.
Okay, Guru, we have some questions from the Facebook. If let's say you are ulcer patient, can you take lemon, orange, or any other fruit to avoid ulcer patient? Ulcer.
Ulcer patient. Okay. Suppose a patient is suffering from ulcerative colitis or any type of internal ulcer in his digestive tract. Uh, he avoid, number one, chili. Avoid, number two, more amount of fiber. Avoid, number three, more amount of hot water, any type of hot food. But he can have lemon, Mossambi, apple, pineapple, but reduce the effect of lemon. Suppose you want to take lemon, should add 1 lemon in 200 ml of normal water. He can also take this type of juices. Definitely can take.
Right. So Guru, we're going to take a short break. Let's watch this video. Then I'll come back in 1 minute.
Okay.
Right.
Hello friends, I'm Mukesh Patel. We are going to arrange meditation program in the unexplored forest of Taman Nagara in Malaysia with the help of Max Private Limited and Nihar Arogya Mandir. Why meditation is needed? As per research, in our daily life, there are 60,000 thoughts come in our mind, and out of them, 90% thoughts are repeated. Repetition of such thought process will drag our energy, and when our nerve energy will be leakage, automatically the diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, anxiety, and depression will may become there. So if we want to get rid of such diseases or minimize the intensity of disease, we do regular exercise and also meditation. Which type of exercise? Some breathing techniques and regular 20 minutes meditation will lead up to the peak, and it will connect ourselves with the supreme power, Almighty. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Guru, we know that you have this book called Pain Free. Do you mind to share a bit on this book, what you have write? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Do you mind to share a bit?
Any one of you can download it from our website, and in this book there are different type of experience of patients from constipation to cancer, with the help of kitchen remedies, with the help of diet plan, with the help of pranayama. Some patient who suffered from joint pain, some from neurological disorder, some patients suffer from even cancer. And even today, I have many files of cancer who are suffering from different type of cancer, brain tumor, ovarian cancer, lungs cancer, or mouth cancer. Out of them, uh, many cancer patient also free totally 100%. So if you follow the rules of Mother Nature easily, you can also survive in any condition, because God give the same machine of physical body to all of us. Only you should maintain every day. You should plan every day. You should invest some time every day behind your body, because Max can give you better plan how to invest money. I can give you the best plan how to invest time behind your body.
Yeah, Guru. Because most of the time when we are getting things for granted or free, we don't really appreciate it until the day that we lose it. Then only we appreciate how important our body is, right? So, Guru, one more question is that what are the tips, especially during this climate, right? How we can keep ourselves calm and think positive? Besides every morning, what we should do, or during night, what are the tips that we can keep positive, that we can overcome the current challenge?
Yes. Different type of challenge may come all over the world, not personally for us, also for government of India, government of Malaysia, government of US. But at this moment, particularly personally, for every human being, for Prime Minister or a bypasser, for Max or Mukesh Patel, or for anyone, at this moment, what we can do, we can focus only on this moment. What we can do at this moment? You can read, you can focus on some funny videos, you can focus on some funny movies, you can focus more and more some best memory which you have in your past. And also, please forgive every people which you betrayed, your took your money or anything, did some bad with you. I will show one very good exercise which definitely will help to reduce your negativities at the same moment. You can perform it in sitting position, in standing position, or even while walking. Max, before 3 years, uh, I read one article about running. And at that moment, I decided that I will run continuously for 1 hour within the period of even 2 years. And I started running only for a single minute. And within 24 months, I could achieve my target of 60 minutes. And during my running, when I feel exhausted, at the time of running, I use this technique. I will show. So, in this position. Take 2 short breath and long exhalation. Exhale your enemies, exhale your bad economy, exhale your knowledge of medical, exhale your present corona, exhale anything whichever is doing pressure on your mind. And every time follow 10 count. I finish 3 counts. And whenever you feel anything after performing this exercise, close your eyes. Within a minute, you will be at ease. Morning, evening, late evening, just before going to sleep. If you perform this exercise 10 sets today and 10 multiplied by 10 breathing 100, definitely on paper with my signature, I can give you assurance that tomorrow morning, all of you are able to reduce your stress at least more than 50%. Only with the help of this exercise. Because many of my patients who were suffering from depression can reduce their depression and reduce their medication more than 50 to 100%. Only with the help of this exercise. This is a miraculous exercise. Even you can reduce your weight. You can forget, you can forgive your enemy, and even you can stop wondering in future. It will be definitely good after a month in Malaysia, in India, in China, in US, all over the world.
Okay. So Guru, we got a lot more questions, but I think we only have time for one questions. Then after that, we're going to end these sections because we know that Guru, we are busy treating people and all that, right? Does drinking a high pH water, I think that's about like 11 pH, bring any help to the body? I think that should
very good question.
Water.
No, if our pH level of body will become more higher, it also become more dangerous.
Okay.
Because in normal condition, the pH level of our stomach is nearer to 5. And when we are at fasting time, when we start taking our meal after a call get from our mind, call of hunger, it is less than 5. So the normal pH level of our body should be between 5 to 9, more 5 to 8. So we can maintain the pH level in normal and natural condition with the help of 3 liters of normal water, 1 liter of juice, and other amount of salads and fruits, but not should be more higher, because alkaline body will may become more dangerous.
Okay.
So don't focus on
Moderate.
10, 11. It should be in natural condition. If you take this type of fruits and vegetables and water, automatically body will maintain what it should be. Our body is more wiser than us.
Okay, okay, good, good. Thank you, Guru. And then we're going to send to everyone the link for the first book and also the second book. You just need to key in MCM and Neha in our Facebook. And then for any questions, you can visit Neha Facebook, all right, and also the website. Basically, Guru is running this Neha Charitable Center in India, which I always tell myself I must go there and visit, because Guru is treating so many people for his entire life for charity. Right, so it's a very noble things that he's doing. So Guru, once again, thank you for your time and for sharing your knowledge and also your experience. All of us have learned a lot of things, especially at this current pandemic situation. We should take care of our body, but also our mind as well. So we have to think positive. All right. So I think that's all, Guru. Okay, namaste again. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, and I am always ready any type of upcoming program from my end. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Hello friends, I am Mukesh Patel. We are going to arrange body, mind, soul and chakra detox program in unexplored forest of Taman Nagara in Malaysia with the help of Max Private Limited and Nihar Arogya Mandir. There are generally 7 chakras in our body. The base of our body is Muladhara chakra. The physical process of urination and discarding of stool through bowel is just in our Muladhara chakra, and another routine process of genitary organs also located in Muladhara chakra. If we can manage and keep it in rhythmic process, automatically we can come upwards toward our Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra is nearby our navel. Our fearfulness is just located in Swadhisthana chakra. So, with the help of meditation and chakra cleansing process, we can come out of fear and go upwards toward our ultimate Sahasrara chakra. So, whenever we go in Sahasrara chakra and clean it, automatically we can connect ourselves with Almighty. Thank you.